Yo, what is going on YouTube? This video today is going to be showing you how to get cap breakers in NBA 2K26. You can get all the 28 cap breakers for free, taking just a few minutes, and this actually uses a working locker code. Before I show you guys how to go ahead and do this, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm always creating updated tutorials for 2K26. So this is going to get you a locker code that you can redeem in game, and it is going to get you all 28 cap breakers. And yeah, this is the fastest method to do this, guys. So yeah, dedicate a few minutes of your time and let's get into the tutorial. So as you can see, I'm using my mobile phone for this. Now, I do recommend you do this on your mobile. It just makes the process of getting your 2K26 locker code a lot easier. And you need to go to make sure you can type www.coldcoupons.com. So as you can see, guys, you've got to type it exactly like this because it is very important you do go to the correct website. Now, this is basically a game code website, and they have hundreds of different pages. So you're going to use the search bar to find the NBA 2K26 locker codes page. Now, there is a code on this page that's going to get you cap breakers, so go ahead and scroll down and look for it. So this is a get all cap breakers for free in NBA 2K26 locker code. And like I said, guys, this literally takes a few minutes to do, and it is going to get you all 28. Not many people know there even are 28 cap breakers. So this is definitely the fastest and easiest method. So because these are limited codes, and considering this is a pretty desirable one, considering cap breakers are really hard to get, you do need to unlock your 2K26 locker code. So click on this button here, and you just need to follow the instructions on this page, guys. It is super simple. It does take about 5 minutes to do this, but it is completely free. You need to complete 2 of the free offers below, and that is going to go ahead and unlock your 2K26 code. So on this page, you're going to have a list of tasks. And these are really easy things like installing free mobile apps, answering survey questions, playing games. Just make sure you do follow the instructions below each of the applications you see on this page. And once you do 2 of those, it will redirect you, and your Cold Coupons 2K26 locker code will be revealed. So the full code will be shown here. You redeem it in game, and this one is going to unlock all 28 cap breakers. So that is how to get cap breakers in 2K26 using a locker code. So go to Cold Coupons. Any questions, feel free to hit me up. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.